finna do.
What's up, guys? Like that?
Not like that. That was a little too dramatic for me.
Just trying to throw out options.
Alright, guys. A little too dramatic for you now?
Yeah!
Oh man, guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video, and we got something for Horseplay. He is the winner of the last giveaway that we have. If you haven't seen that video yet, I always forget which side it's on. I think it's this side. It's that side. I think it's that side.
That's what I said.
I don't know. Anyway, but I said I was going to do something special for the giveaway winner. He's getting the car wash kit, and he's also getting something else special. So we're going to open it to see what it looked like. By the time you're watching this video, he already got the gift. And he's probably already posted his video. So check out his YouTube channel. It's a black shirt.
Dun dun dun.
No, I'm just funny. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. Nope, that is off. I'm gonna have to send that back.
Yeah, it's kind of off.
Kinda. It's extremely off. I knew that.
Malfunction.
I knew that it was gonna like look weird because when I tried to upload it, it was like, sorry, Horseplay, it's gonna be a couple weeks.
Another
again.
2 weeks.
Yeah. Ooh.
The back looks really nice.
It does.
The back looks mint.
But he can't have the shirt right now. So
No, we gotta get the front fixed.
yeah, we gotta get fix it. But I'm gonna go ahead and call the company who make the shirts. I'm gonna send it off or figure out what they gonna do with it. But we gonna see.
I say get in the camera frame.
I'm about to close it.
Well, you were just cutting yourself off like right here.
We gonna see.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so we are back. Finally. This was a disaster from the start. They messed up the shirt. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. They even messed up on this shirt, but it's okay because, I mean, it's a minor mess up. This is the messed up shirt. This is the one I'm keeping. But I'm not going to show you really what they messed up on because it's not important. What I am going to show you is what the shirt actually look like. This is his actual shirt. Yep. If you want a shirt like this, you can get it at the merch store down below. We fixed everything, so should come out correctly this time. I couldn't just give him a normal shirt because he is the giveaway winner, so I did something for him. That is his YouTube channel right there, and that is also his car. I wanted to do that for him since he wanted to give away. He was also a long-time subscriber when I had 100. Man, I think he was like one of the first 50 subscribers I had on this channel. Maybe 30. But now we finna get ready to ship it. It's going to Daytona, Florida. So we're gonna ship it there and hopefully he enjoys it. Let's go ahead, package it up, ship the box. And since he's a YouTuber, he's going to record it as well. So we're gonna get his reaction. So let's go ahead and pack it up real quick. Really, you going to Daytona? Come on, Raven. Why you going to Daytona? You can't go into Daytona. You wouldn't know what to do at the beach. No words. Okay. Alright, Horseback, I guess you're getting a cat. Hope your dog likes her. Man, my packing skills are on point. Oh, I forgot one thing.
No, babe.
What? You want to go to Florida?
No.
Okay.
Babe, what are you doing?
What?
No. Why are you putting them in the box?
Because they wanted to go to Florida.
No.
So not both of them?
No. They cannot go to Florida.
You sure? I think they like it down there.
No.
Okay. Come here, Nala.
What in the world? Stop it.
No?
No.
Okay.
None of them can go to Florida.
Okay. Alright. Sorry, Horseplay, you're not getting any new pets.
Creator, one of my favorite guys that I'm subscribed to. He had a giveaway. I actually won. I don't ever win anything, so I thought this was pretty cool. Now Darius did tell me his cat got a hold of it. But, you know, if you have a cat, I'm pretty sure it's their rite of passage to have the box. I mean, I think that's how it works. Whoa, I didn't know this is gonna fly around. Alright, let's see what's in here. Crayola. Oh, if y'all are not subscribed to Darius, it's D Creator. I don't know how I figured he would have way more subs than me by now. He's got great content. Go check out D Creator Creations. Darius is a great dude. I love his personality and the way him and his wife work together. It's great. I love it.
For the stars, even when it gets hard, put my faith in the Lord. We get 16 bars, I won't turn around. I won't turn around.
Wow. Man, Horseplay, I'm glad that you're happy with your gifts. I'm glad the kids are happy with their gifts. I'm glad that it actually got to you because we had a little complication right there. By the way, guys, I'm not going to get rid of my animals. I love my animals too much. But yeah, guys, doing giveaways like this it makes me feel good, okay? Because I'm not doing it just so I can get these subscribers. I'm not doing it just so I can get people to watch my stuff or anything like that. I'm doing it because I genuinely am happy that you guys are subscribed to me and I want to give back to you. After doing this giveaway, I kind of start thinking to myself of, you know, ways I can actually become a better YouTuber. Not only for just you guys, but for myself as well. Working on that music video, I actually learned a lot of techniques for video editing and camera angles and just perspective. And yeah, this video might only get like 20 views, maybe 30, maybe even 40 views, but I'm not really looking at it for views. The whole reason why I started this channel is so I can show people my talent and my love for cars. I wanted to show my creativity. My goals for this YouTube channel is to pretty much become better, and not just for the subscribers, not just for the views, not for the popularity, just to better myself. Yeah, that's it for the video. I enjoyed making this video. Glad Horseplay liked the gifts, and there's gonna be more giveaways for you guys, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and maybe you'll be the next one to win the giveaway. So go ahead and hit that bell so you don't miss out. Do me a favor, if you made it this far into the video, please comment down below. Create greatness. I'll see you guys later.